With our vacation collections complete, we can create collection sets for the remaining categories to get additional practice. Let's start by creating a collection set for our landscape shots. Click on the plus sign next to the collections heading and create collection set. Type in landscape shots. And you want to make sure that you create this collection set inside the My Studio collection. And click Create. Inside the Landscape Shots collection set, we're going to have 4 collections: spring, summer, winter, and fall. So right-click on Landscape Shots and click on Create Collection. Type in spring. Lightroom has already detected that we want to create this collection inside the Landscape Shots collection set. So it's automatically placed a check mark in this box for us. Make sure you don't have a check mark in this box. We do not want to include the selected photos inside this new collection set. And go ahead and click Create. Now create another collection and call it Summer. Winter. And fall. Now set fall as your target collection. So once again, I accidentally clicked on the actual collection and I didn't want to do that. So I'm going to go back to all photographs, because we want to make sure that when we apply our filters, we're filtering the entire gallery. We're not just filtering what's inside the fall collection, which at the moment is nothing. So click on text to bring back your text filters. And this time we're going to replace vacation with landscape. And we're going to replace WA with fall. So these are all our fall images. So I'm going to highlight them all and press the B key on my keyboard. So there you go, you can see it's populated the new target collection. Let's do the same for spring. Set it as your target collection. And I do have a bad habit of clicking on the collection, so I'll have to go back to all photographs again and click on text again. Replace the word fall with spring. Highlight them all. Press the B key on your keyboard. And there they are in the spring collection. Right click on summer, set as target collection. Change the spring keyword to summer. And press the B key. And do the last one, winter. And once they're highlighted, press the B key. So you can see just how quickly you can filter your images using this method. There are even quicker methods than this, which we'll explore in this section to follow. So let's go ahead and do cars, and this will fall under a new collection set. We'll call this cars. We want to place this in My Studio collection. So click Create. Inside the cars collection set, create 3 collections. The first one will be Porsche. Inside collection set cars, make sure that none of these are checked. Click Create. Create another collection. Call this Mercedes. Create. And BMW. And click Create. So this time we're going to change our keyword filter to car, and we'll start with Porsche. Make Porsche your target collection. Highlight them all and press B. Change the keyword filter to Mercedes. Change your target collection to Mercedes. Highlight the images and press the B key. And lastly, BMW. Set as target collection. Highlight them all in the B key. And lastly, we'll do the wedding collection set. So I'll create a new collection set, call it wedding. Inside my studio collection, create. Now wedding is down here just because it's alphabetical. Inside wedding, we'll create 3 collections, one called flowers. Click create. Another one called dresses. Click create. And rings. So now in our keyword filter, I'll type in wedding, and we'll start with flowers. I'll set flowers as my target collection. Highlight them all, press B. I'll do rings next. Set it as my target collection. Update the flowers keyword to ring. Highlight them, press the B key, and dresses. Once again, I clicked on it. Let's go back to all photographs, text. I'm going to set the dresses collection to my target collection, which is what I originally intended to do. I'm going to highlight them and press the B key. But just before I do that, I am going to update the ring keyword to dress. And then highlight them all and press the B key. So there we have it. We have the full collection set created, including all our sub-collection sets and our individual collections. So in the next section, we'll show you how to administer these collections. Also, go ahead and remove any filters you've applied. So just click the None button in your library filter, and that'll take us back to all our photographs.